I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so and hit the bell, and then you'll get notified of all my uploads because I do surprise uploads from time to time. If you already subscribed, you're my doll baby. Hi, doll baby. What's up? Thanks for coming back. Today, I am doing a review on temporary brows. I have done another one for a company called Godefroy. I will put that down below. And I got these temporary brows from Headcovers Unlimited. I also got this turban and this halo wig from them too. So check out the review on that. I got 2 different styles here. I have number 18 ginger brown, and then I also have pecan brown. Okay, you can see that they are slightly different in shape. The ones that I have on right now are the pecan brown. I've wore them a few times. I have some thoughts.
Talk amongst yourselves.
These ones I don't like. These ginger brown. These ones in general, like, they just didn't stay on. Like the other Godefroy ones, they stayed on. They said they stayed on for like 2 or 3 days. They didn't, but they definitely stayed on the entire day and till the next morning. These ones didn't even stay on like for 2 minutes. The other thing is that even though there's like a plastic on here, they're very, I think I have one extra. They're just really shiny. Like, this is without the plastic. Do you see that shine on there? The plastic is off. So it gives this weird latex situation. I don't like it at all. So I'd say those ones I'm not feeling. The ones that I'm wearing now are better, I think, because they're just a flatter color. When I put them on, this has the covering. When I put them on after I tried the dark ones, I did notice that they did have a little bit of a shine, but I fill in my brows a little bit and I put powder. I do feel like the strokes of them are nice, like they look really, really pretty, but I don't know. I don't know where I'd put those other brows, or I'd pull them out. I don't know where I put my brows. I redid my whole setup and now I can't find stuff. Anyway, blah, blah, blah. I like these ones. I definitely can tell you they were already pulling up on the side. Like, this is my pencil that you're seeing here. I loved the color for sure. Overall, maybe I'll try more. If you want me to try more styles from this Headcovers, let me know. But I actually would, and I think they were $5.99. It was $5.99 for 10. I think that could have been a sale. The Godefroy ones are $9.99 for 12. As of right this moment, I would say the Godefroy ones work much better. If you do want these ones, I'm just guessing, but based on the 2 that I have, I would say the lighter colors probably work better than the darker ones because they have that weird sheen on them. But that's where I'm at with it right now. I like the Godefroy ones better. That's the 2 cents on that. But if there's anything else from Headcovers that you want me to review, let me know. If there's any other brows situations you want me to review, also let me know. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!